Hi, Brenton Begley, attorney and partner with McIntyre Elder Law. Let's talk about what you can expect if you're an heir in a probate estate. So the first thing that you can expect is you can expect to wait a long time for your inheritance. It's important to know that probate is a process, it's a court process. And any court process tends to be rather slow. Now, we can blame this on just the slowness of the justice process. We can blame it on a bunch of different things, but the fact of the matter is that probate is a slow process and it's not getting any quicker, okay? Probate can typically last anywhere from 6 months to 2 years. And it's important to understand that coming into the probate process, because you don't want to rely on an inheritance and budget for that in future expenses, because you don't really know what can happen in a probate process. So the first thing is, don't expect it to go quickly. Expect to wait a decent amount of time. Another thing that you can expect is that there will be claims made against the estate. So probate is the opportunity for any creditor to make a claim against the estate. North Carolina is what's called a limited recovery state, which means that the legislature has limited creditor claims and the ability to make creditor claims to the probate process. So if probate's open and there is a possible creditor claim, they're going to seize that opportunity to make sure that they do make a claim against the estate so that they get paid. If that happens, expect that creditors will get paid first before the heirs get their share. The way it works in North Carolina is that you have to satisfy all claims against the estate before the heir can get their share, okay? There's some exceptions for surviving spouses, and there's some exceptions for wrongful death money, but generally speaking, just know that the creditors get paid first. Now, those claims can be negotiated, they can be brought down, to pennies on the dollar by a skilled estate attorney, but the fact of the matter is that creditor claims have to be satisfied before you can, distribute assets out of the estate. Another thing is, expect that there will be some type of complication. Probate is an open venue for anyone to make a challenge against the will, a challenge against the estate, to try to remove an executor or to file some type of lawsuit because someone didn't get the share that they thought they should get. So there's all sorts of opportunity for there to be complications within the probate process to make it go longer or to divert assets away from heirs. Probate is something that can be very complicated if you're dealing with, actually being the administrator or executor in the estate, but it can also be complicated to understand if you're an heir and stand to inherit from that probate estate. Best thing to do is to hire a probate attorney to help with that process or to help represent you if you're an heir and you don't know what's going on. Another thing that you can do for yourself and your own family is to avoid probate and putting your family through that complicated process. So if you have questions about probate, how to avoid it, or what to expect, give us a call, 704-259-7040, or visit our website, mcelderlaw.com, to schedule your free consultation.